beautiful mosque of Al Muqtadin Mosque along the Kulaba Mark. The opposite of Kulaba Mark, you can see the beautiful landscape about the condition, situation at the backside of Al Muqtadin Mosque. You can see also there are many villages at the opposite of Batangaris River, and it's the way to Bukit Tinggi and also Padang, Jakarta. Maybe you can take a rest here. The best maybe for you. If you make a journey or travel, you may take rest and take a bath. Also, you can have lunch, have dinner, or have breakfast. And pray together in the beautiful Saturday.